There are various government funding schemes available in the UK for homeowners, landlords, and private tenants to improve the energy efficiency of their homes. The grant schemes provide funding for measures such as loft insulation, wall insulation, solar panels, and renewable heating systems such as heat pumps to be installed. The majority of funding is allocated to properties which are not connected to the mains gas network and do not have mains gas central heating. Therefore, if you heat your home using oil, LPG, wood, coal, or electricity, then you may qualify for a grant to make your home warmer and save money on your fuel bills. There are various ways in which applicants can qualify for a grant. For example, if the total income of the
Property is below £31,000 per year.
or if somebody living in the property is in receipt of working tax credit, child tax credit, or other benefits such as universal credit, housing benefit, etc. Alternatively, if somebody in the property has a long-term health condition which may be made worse by living in a cold home, for example, arthritis, a respiratory disease, a cardiovascular condition, etc., then we may also be able to obtain a grant for energy efficiency measures to be installed to make the home warmer and alleviate the symptoms. We are able to obtain grants of up to 100% for homeowners, private landlords, and private tenants. Unfortunately, we are unable to help tenants living in social housing. All work is installed via a Trustmark accredited company, and all work is covered by a guarantee of up to 25 years. Any grant that you receive does not have to be repaid. You can apply for funding via Energy Saving Grants. You can check your eligibility at energysavinggrants.org. Please enter your contact details in the grant checker, and an accredited energy assessor will be in touch with you to advise on which grant schemes you may be eligible for.